Hi teacher and classmates, in this occasion I talk about under pressure, exploring hydrostatic forces and measure device, different concepts, excuse me. Okay, I start. I talk about introduction, hydrostatic pressure on flat surface, atmospheric measure device, manometrics measuring device, application of hydrostatic pressure, and the conclusion about this title. Introduction. Okay, hydrostatic pressure is the force exerted by a fluid or reservoir on a flat surface. It's an important concept on fluid mechanics and the numerous application in engineering and physically. In this presentation, we will explore the basic of hydrostatic pressure on a flat surface and the different types of atmospheric and manometric measuring device used to measure it. Hydrostatic pressure on flat surface. When a flat surface is submerged in a fluid, the fluid exerts a force on the surface due its weight. This force is known as hydrostatic pressure and is calculated as the product of the density of the fluid, the acceleration to the gravity, and the depth of the fluid. The magnitude of the hydrostatic pressure increases with depth and is independent of shapes or size of the surface. This makes it an important factor in a design and operation structures such as dams, tank, and submarines. Atmospheric measuring device. About this atmospheric measuring device are used to measuring the pressure of atmosphere. The most common device is barometer, which measuring atmospheric pressure using a mercury column. The height of the column is proportional to the atmospheric pressure. Other atmospheric measuring devices include the anodized barometer, which has a flexible metal chamber to measure changes in atmospheric pressure, and the vacuum weight, which measures the pressure difference between a vacuum and atmosphere. Manometric measuring device. Manometric measuring devices are used to measure the pressure of fluids. The most common device is the U-tube manometer, which consists of a U-shaped to fillet with a fluid such as water or mercury. The difference in a weight between the two sides of the tube is proportional to the pressure differences between the 2 points begin measuring. Other manometric measuring devices include the inclined manometer, which uses a tyrrell to measuring small pressure difference, and Bourdon gauge, which use a curved tube. The strike thing under pressure to measuring high pressures. Application of hydrostatic pressure. Hydrostatic pressure has numerous applications in engineering and physics. It's used the design and operation of hydraulic systems, for example, production lines, such as those used in heavy machinery and aircraft landing gear. It's also used in the measurement of fluids level in tanks and reservoirs, as well as in the calculator of the buoyant force acting on submerged objects. Understanding hydrostatic pressure is essential for ensuring the safety and efficiency of many structures and systems. Um, and finally, in conclusion, we can tag hydrostatic pressure is an important concept in the fluids mechanics with numerous applications in engineering and physics. Atmospherics and manometric measuring devices are used to measure hydrostatic pressure on flat surface and fluids respectively. Understanding hydrostatic pressure and its measurement is crucial for the safe and efficient operation of many structures and systems. Thank you, teacher.